How are you? How are you? I am fine. I am fine. Are you Pakistani? Are you Pakistani? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Are you busy at the moment? Are you busy at the moment? No, I am free. No, I am free. Are you free? Are you free? Yes, let's talk. Yes, let's talk. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Yes, I am ready. Can I access the internet? Can I access the internet? Of course. Of course. Can we go there now? Can we go there now? Just a minute. Just a minute. Can you call me right now? Can you call me right now? Just a moment. Just a moment. Can you help me? Can you help me? Sure. Sure. Do I have internet access here? Do I have internet access here? Sure. Sure. Do you feel tired? Do you feel tired? No, I am not. No, I am not. Do you have any problem? Do you have any problem? Yes, I have little bit problem. Yes, I have little bit problem. Do you understand? Do you understand? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Does it often rain here? Quite often. Does it often snow here? Does it often snow here? Not so often. Not so often. How about Sunday? How about Sunday? It's okay. It's okay. How did you get to work? How did you get to work? By bus. By bus. How do you like traveling? How do you like traveling? By car. By car. How far is it from the city? How far is it from the city? About 20 kilometer. About 20 kilometer. How many friends do you have? How many friends do you have? Not so many. Not so many. How many hours a day do you learning English? How many hours a day do you learning English? 2 or 3 hours. 2 or 3 hours. How was your trip? How was your trip? Unforgettable. Unforgettable. Is it interesting for you? Is it interesting for you? Very interesting. Very interesting. Is it near? Is it near? No, it's very far. No, it's very far. What are you interested in? What are you interested in? I am interested in football. I am interested in football. What do you enjoy doing? What do you enjoy doing? I enjoy spending time with friends. I enjoy spending time with friends. What do you want to buy? What do you want to buy? I like sweater. I like sweater. What kind of food do you prefer eat? What kind of food do you prefer eat? homemade, homemade. How was your result? How was your result? Excellent, excellent. When were you born? When were you born? On the 2 May 1995. On the 2 May 1995.